Okay, let's not get copyrighted. Anyways guys, welcome back. If you're new on here, my name is Tonia. I'm a travel and lifestyle vlogger, and if you don't know already, I am moving to Florida. Okay, Florida. And basically this video is the process, you know, that leads to that. I just did the announcement in my last video. I will link it somewhere, but for right now I am currently on my way to, first of all I need to go to Walmart and pick up something for my MIL, and then I need to go and pick up some clothes from the laundry place, and then I will come back and pack my things and head to the airport. Okay, I was also supposed to get my wax, my Brazilian wax done, but I've been calling the place that I usually go to. Their automated reply thing that they do say they don't have an appointment today, and I've been calling their phone and no one has picked up, so I'm going to try to call again while I'm out and see if I can get an appointment. But yes guys, welcome to this video. If you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, break it, destroy it, and do whatever you like with it, and let's go. I'm not gonna take you guys on this ride because my MIL will just go crazy. Like, this car that I'm in is her baby, okay? So she's going to be like, whenever I'm filming I'm not concentrating, so I'm not even gonna bring you guys along. I'll see you guys when I get to Walmart. Currently at Walmart. Woo. Ooh. So I just finished from Walmart. I had to wait for like 30 minutes to pick up something. Like, anyways, I'm so mad right now because I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm so mad right now because I just got a job interview on the phone, and the people are like 2 hours away from where we're supposed to be living in Florida. I don't know why, but for some reason I've been getting a lot of job interest from cities that are so far away from us. Like, where we're living is like 2 hours away from the people. They just called me and I was like, oh my god. And the job is such a nice job. It's like the same pay rate with what I currently earn. But anyways, that happened. Now I'm on my way to go pick up the laundry, so yeah, let's do that. I am mad. I need to call this Brazilian wax people one more time and see if they're gonna pick up. I have to call them one more time, and then I'm going to Florida unwaxed.
How can I help you today?
Hello, good afternoon. I'm trying to get an appointment for a Brazilian wax. I've been calling all day.
Oh, my apologies. What I have coming up would be a 255. I don't know how close you are. And then my next visit will be about a 335.
Okay, I will be on my way right now for the 255.
Okay, yeah.
Finally. Well, that's good, because now I can just head over there, because it's currently 2:36 and the appointment is for 2:55. So I'm just gonna drive over there. Hey guys, so I just came out of my waxing place right behind me. Let me show you guys the name of this place. You guys can see it right there. It's called Candy Skin, and that's their phone number. And this is the environment right here. It's just so calm, like it's like a house or something. When I first came to Dallas, I randomly just searched my Google Maps. I was like Brazilian wax, and this place popped up, and I have been coming here since I got here. I would say 4 months, because I didn't wax my first month here because I just waxed from Italy, and it usually takes 4 weeks for it to grow back. So TMI. But anyways, yes, I'm currently here. If you are in the Dallas area, come to this place. This video is not even sponsored by Candy Skin. It's just that they're so amazing. Like, the waxing only like hurts there and then, and that's it. Once I leave, it's like I didn't even do anything and I'm feeling fresh and stuff. Now that we're all clean, nails check, waxing check, what else check? Everything, literally everything that I have to do today is checked except packing my damn stuff. So let's go home and do that, okay? You guys, I think I have too many stuff. Even though I've sent some stuff with the mister back home when he drove back, I think I have too many stuff. I don't think my stuff will fit into these things I have. I might need an extra luggage bag, but I'm going to pack as much as I can, and then if I need extra luggage, I'm just gonna see how that goes. But for now, so you guys, I have my remaining Nigerian food. You know, my MIL is American. I don't think she will ever be able to make these things, so I'm trying to see if I can pack them with me. I don't know, it's not a lot though, so I'm just gonna put as much as I can. So I wanted to put it at the bottom of my bag before I put things on top, so let's see how that goes. So I just got to the airport now. Look at all my stuff. I got 3 bags, you guys. 3 plus my carry-on 4. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to check all these bags in, but yeah, I'm waiting for MIL. She went to go park the car, and then she's gonna come back and help me out with this. So yeah guys, I'm using my phone to film right now in case the quality is a bit less. I don't know, I feel like I have a great phone. I use an iPhone 12, so I feel like the quality isn't bad, but if it is, you guys, sorry. My camera is really far away and I can't even stress about going to look for where it is right now. So I'm going to continue this vlog with my phone. Hopefully it's good enough until I can reach my camera. So yeah, I'll see you guys either on the plane or whenever I can, okay? You guys, I'm in Florida. I'm home. You see this? Florida is a vibe. It looks like we're on vacation right now. Like, it's so pretty out here. It's not gonna be as cold as Texas, but I think I'm going to love it. But yeah, I'm home. My baby's here, as you guys can see. Like, my hand is somewhere in somebody's head. But yeah, you guys, when he goes to work today, I'm going to give you guys a tour of our empty house. I've been looking forward to doing this empty house before our stuff arrives, okay? So yes guys, I will see you guys when I see you. Hey guys. So I am home, and you guys, look at the lighting in my bathroom. Oh my god, it is fire. You guys are gonna be seeing me in here a lot, so you guys better be ready. But yeah, I've been home for about an hour now, and I've taken a shower and I'm a bit relaxed. But right now I need to start fixing this house, you guys. I'm going to try and give you guys an empty house tour before our things arrive from Italy, so that, you know, when I start to decorate the house, you guys are going to, you know, go from that transition of, oh my god, this is what it used to look like and this is what it is right now. But right now guys, if I show you guys what's happening behind me, you guys are going to be flabbergasted. It is a mess. I have like 3 3 luggage bags that I need to offload of my clothes, and this is not all my clothes. My clothes are still coming from Italy, and I still have some clothes that I had sent over here before. They're all in the guest room just laying on the floor, so I have a lot of work to do. And we're also going to Miami for Thanksgiving, so that means that I honestly don't even have time to do anything. So I'm just going to do as much as I can today, and then yeah, I would hopefully be able to do the house tour before our things arrive, because our things left Italy since October. So I am thinking it will be here anytime soon, and I really want to be able to show you guys this house before I start to decorate it. So yes guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna end it here because I am so tired. Your girl is tired. I'm going to just go ahead and start organizing this stuff. See, I've been breaking out again. I have no idea why, but like, I really don't care. But anyways guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, okay? So break it, destroy it, and do whatever you like with it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.